how are things now after you've gone through our accelerator with what you've learned and applied and stuff like that?
Well, before the accelerator, yeah, I didn't know anything about the structure or nothing. So like after the accelerator, actually I see the vision more clearly. Like I see where it's going, especially like after this call now, I see where it's going to, what the progress is, what the next steps is, where it's building up towards. Um to get that structure at the end for me to to help me at the end to put in less time and effort and still get the output from.
So what like techniques and stuff have you tried before that didn't really work to grow your coaching business?
When I was posting on Instagram,
Mm.
I really always didn't know what to post. So the thing is like content creation and everything. I'm not always sure what to create and so on. But like when we're doing like the lead magnet, I actually know what the purpose is, where we're going towards. So I know I should schedule my content around that.